Want to stay productive and get your jobs done while on the move? Then what can be better than a tab, as you can treat it like a small workstation. And to ensure that, Samsung comes with its Galaxy Tab S7 Fan Edition. But sometimes, without the right accessories, your productivity may decrease, as they're designed to make sure you become more productive and efficient. Therefore, we'll show you the best accessories for your Galaxy Tab S7 FE in today's video. So let's get started! The very first accessory you should have is a charger, as the original one may not be enough to power up your Galaxy Tab S7 FE in a faster way. So meet with the brand new Anker Nano 2, powered by GaN 2 technology with 20% increased operating frequency and upgraded circuit board structure, ensuring it runs smoothly without sacrificing a drop of power. With up to 65-watt power delivery option and Type-C output, this brick can deliver up to 3 times faster recharging speed than a traditional charger. Its built-in safety feature makes sure your device stays safe from any unwanted scenario, while its compact form factor allows you to travel with it without messing up space. In summary, the Anker Nano 2 is designed to give your Tab S7 FE as much power as it needs in a faster way, so that nothing can hinder your productivity. While you're away from a power outlet, you should have a power bank inside your sack, and the ROMOSS Sense 8 Plus ensures you're never out of battery while on the move. You can fill your S7 FE battery more than 2 times, as it is packed with a 3000 mAh battery, making it an ideal accessory for your business trip or other outdoor activities. This convenient and multifunctional power bank can charge 3 devices simultaneously at a maximum speed of 18 watts. The built-in intelligent safety system ensures complete protection for you and your devices, while its travel-friendly construction allows you to take it on boards without any worries. Overall, all the added benefits the ROMOSS Sense 8 offers makes it a must-have accessory for your power needs. After doing all the power solutions, now you should wrap your tablet in a sleek Galaxy Tab book cover that's stylish as well as convenient. It folds around and clings magnetically, so you can quickly gear up when you're headed out the door. Also, you can choose from 2 standing angles. One is ideal for watching your favorite show, the other for writing, taking quick notes, etc. As you open and close the cover, the tablet screen will automatically turn on and off to eliminate wait times and conserve battery. There's even a compartment for the S Pen, so you can be sure it doesn't get left behind, and your S Pen always stays at your fingertips. Moreover, this fantastic versatile case works on every S7 series tab, especially the 12.4 inches, so you don't have to worry about getting the perfect fit for your new S7 FE. Alright, do you want to increase the productivity and keep the exterior of your Tab S7 FE safe from impacts? Then the Bookcover keyboard for Samsung has got your back. The sleek yet lightweight build of this cover keyboard enhances the device portability without sacrificing protection, while ensuring extended productivity. It features a simple setup so you can start typing in a flash, thanks to its intuitive pogo pin connections that simplify the installation of your tab. These pin connections are compatible with all S7 series tabs, so you can use it with other Galaxy Tabs as well as your Fan Edition tablet. The cover also features a dedicated slot for your S Pen, which attaches magnetically to the back of the tablet and charges when docked. So grab your cover tablet on the way out the door and feel confident that both the screen and back of the tablet will be protected. The brand new Galaxy S7 FE doesn't come with any audio ports. Nevertheless, you can still enjoy your favorite music with the Galaxy Buds Pro without messing up any clutter of wires. The Buds Pro houses two-way speakers, including an 11mm woofer and a 6.5mm tweeter by AKG. letting you experience the rush of your music. It features many specs, including active noise cancellation that eliminates up to 99% of external noise, and 360 Dolby head tracking technology for a true spatial audio experience. These buds fit perfectly in your ear and don't fall out when you're moving around. And its IPX7 water-resistant body ensures the device stays safe from sweat and moisture. Its battery offers 5 hours of runtime and up to 13 hours with the charging case. You can also get a quick 5-minute top-up, giving you an additional hour of playback time. Overall, if you like to listen to your music while working, then without a doubt, the Galaxy Buds Pro is a must-have item for you. So that was all about the best accessories for Galaxy Tab S7 FE just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.